The Porsche 963 is a prototype race car from Porsche Penske Motorsport, entering endurance racing in 2025. Unveiled at the Goodwood Festival of Speed in 2022, it aims to dominate legendary events like the 24 Hours of Daytona and Le Mans. Making its debut at the 24 Hours of Daytona, the Porsche 963 has undergone rigorous testing, covering over 17,000 miles. It tackled Daytona's challenging conditions, proving its endurance with a 4.6-liter twin-turbo V8 engine, ready for fierce competition. Designed with a lightweight carbon fiber body, the Porsche 963 features a hybrid powertrain inspired by the 918 Spider. Its striking white, red, and black livery echoes Porsche's racing heritage, while incorporating modern elements from the Porsche 911. Led by Roger Penske and Urs Kuratla, the Porsche Penske Motorsport team boasts a rich history in racing. The vehicle's striking white, red, and black livery, the typical Porsche Motorsport colors, may echo successful racing cars of the brand's past, but the rear end of the car features a continuous illuminated strip and nameplate that's a feature of today's Porsche 911, Type 992, sports car. Porsche has made an extremely powerful commitment to the new top category in endurance sports, said Urs Kuratla, highlighting their ambitious project. In 2024, the Porsche 963 will compete in the IMSA WeatherTech Sports Car Championship and FIA World Endurance Championship. With races across 8 countries, it aims to secure victories in both North America and globally. Motor Speedway, the 85-year-old has racked up more than 600 wins and 43 championship titles in different series since becoming head of Porsche Penske Motorsport. The team also boasts 18 Indianapolis 500 victories, 3 Daytona 500 championships, a Formula One win, victories in the 24 Hours of Daytona and the 12 Hours of Sebring, and a Bathurst 1000 race win to its name. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more automotive content, and let us know in the comments what you think about the Porsche 963. Stay tuned for our next review. See you on the road.